Good evening, sir or ma'am. My name is Arna, and along with my team, Sadhika, Gaurita, and Arohi, I am excited to present our innovative solution designed to improve indoor air quality and create a sustainable project for all.
Hi, I'm Sadhika, and today I have a question for you. Have you ever seen these air vents? I know what you must be thinking, that you've seen these air vents in colleges, schools, or offices.
Hello, I am Gaurita. Now, have you ever wondered how we actually clean these air vents? Current methods are time consuming, difficult to access, and often incomplete. As a result, air ducts collect dust, mold, and pollutants, which lead to dust buildup inside ducts. Contaminants reduce indoor air quality. It also causes allergies, infections, and health risks.
Good evening. I am Arohi, and to solve this problem, we introduced AERO SWEEP, an EV air vent cleaning robot. It is designed to clean air ducts efficiently and safely. AERO SWEEP reduces buildup, improves air quality, saves time, and increases overall cleaning efficiency.
Our solution is aligned with some important UN Sustainable Development Goals, including SDG 3, Good Health and Well-being, SDG 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities, and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production. This makes Aerosweep not just innovative, but also sustainable.
AeroSweep consists of several key components. 1. A rotating brush used to loosen dust. 2. A powerful vacuum system to collect debris. 3. A dust collector for storage. And 4. A camera for navigation and monitoring. Together, these components ensure thorough and efficient cleaning inside the air vent.
AeroSweep provides multiple environmental and practical benefits. 1. Zero emission operation using electric power. 2. Improved AC efficiency, reducing energy consumption. 3. Reduced manual labor and maintenance effort. 4. Better indoor air quality for healthier living spaces. And 5. It also helps protect building infrastructure by preventing dust buildup.
To conclude, AeroSweep is a smart, efficient, and eco-friendly solution for air vent cleaning. It improves air quality, saves energy, reduces waste, and promotes a healthier environment. Thank you for your time. We hope you found our idea innovative and impactful.